Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Darla on Dress to Impress from Finding Nemo. I know this isn't super accurate, but I tried alright. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to save this for a bit here. Okay, I'm not going to remove the mouthpiece though because it took me like ages to figure that out. So I'm just going to start like this. I will show you the adjustments though, so you don't have to do it again. I went to the hair salon and I chose this hairstyle, colored it this hair color. Maybe you want it a little bit brighter actually, and a little bit more orange in a sense. So let's just do this instead. Then for the bangs, I used this one. And I also selected no bangs, I think, in this hairstyle. So no bangs. Then for the actual fit, I'm going to use this one in this like purple color. I actually like this color, but a little bit brighter. And I just used the Dress to Impress logo. I know it's not what she used, but I just use that one. And then I use this in that color. Then for the skirt, I just use this one in this pattern. For the shoes, I used the Mary Janes. I'm like trying to figure out where everything is since the update. So add socks and color the socks white and make it matte. Then we will need a little bit longer socks, so just use this one, no feet, high striped socks, and color it white as well. For the mouthpiece, I used the like microphone, and then I colored it this gray color, 7F, 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 and these are the adjustments. Position Y at 0.35, Z at 0.66, rotate it X at 1, Y at 0.06 and Z at 0.72, and scale it all the way to 0.89. Then for like the kind of Nemo aspect, I just use this because it looks like a fishbowl. Moved it to the side and I colored it this blue color here, and then the rest like an orange and white color to kind of mimic, I don't know, Nemo, I guess, in a sense. But that is how you can create Darla on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I also just changed it to these sleeves instead. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!